Sending timesheets. In this video, I will show you how to submit timesheets. There are three different kinds of timesheets that you can submit: a weekly timesheet, a monthly timesheet, and a custom timesheet. Let's start with the weekly timesheet. By default, the grid displays certified hours for the current week. However, you can select prior or future weeks by clicking on the previous or next buttons. Once you have selected your week, select your project. Finally, click Send Standard Timesheet. You will see a success message in green or an error message in red flash in the bottom left corner. If you scroll down below the timesheet grid, you can view a sum of your regular hours, overtime hours, and total hours. Now let's talk about the monthly timesheet. Similar to the weekly timesheet, the grid displays certified hours for the current month by default. However, you can select a prior or future month by clicking on the previous or next buttons. And just like with the weekly timesheet, once you've selected your month and project, you can then click Send Standard Timesheet, and you will either see a success message in green or an error message in red flash in the bottom left corner. Finally, let's talk about custom timesheets. As the name suggests, here you can submit a timesheet for a custom time range, whether it be 3 weeks, 4 days, or something else entirely. Again, select your project and then click Send Standard Timesheet. You will see a success message in green or an error message in red flash in the bottom left corner. That concludes our second module, Sending Timesheets. Thank you.